can run.
Perfect.
And then make sure that the spark plug is plugged in.
Yeah.
Then you put the ignition switch on, so it allows the petrol to prime or to start running through.
Fantastic.
And then you put the lever all the way forwards to the fast, which is the start position.
Yeah.
And then you pull the pull cord out to feel the gears engaged.
Fantastic.
And then you just pull up to start it.
So this is a good point. Can you smell? Could you smell that? So the I don't know if perhaps you're downwind or upwind. Yeah. But again, so what you're doing is he's pulling the pull cord. The engine's going actually into the chamber. You see. So in terms of just feeling that pressure, and again I've mentioned this to some of you before, is a couple of things. If you get the cord and you go like that, one, over time your back's going to just be all contorted. I've done it. I've got the bills from my chiropractor. You keep doing that, it can have a conscious effect on the back. It can really hurt. But if you do it gently and you put it up and you feel the chamber, as Mark's doing now, you fill the chamber up with petrol. Now it's ready. Now it's ready to pull.